better cartwheel.
Cartwheel.
Do a cartwheel.
Do cartwheel.
Do a cartwheel. Do it. Yeah, do that.
Whoa. Do that, Bretzy.
Do it, Bretzy. Do a cartwheel.
Here he goes.
Oh, he's looking at my shoes.
No, do cartwheel,
Okay,
Bretzy.
ready, set, go. Anna Marie, you do a cartwheel now.
I knew cartwheel and a
Open the door
steamroller.
now.
Oh, jeez.
Cartwheel and a steamroller.
No,
I
ready,
knew
please,
cartwheel
get ready,
and
set,
a
go again.
steamroller.
Oh, yeah. Ready, set, go. Anna Marie, catch him. Oh.
Okay, do cartwheel.
Okay, do a cartwheel. Bretzy. Bretzy, do a cartwheel.
He really likes it. Yeah.
Where's Betsy? There he is. There he is. Hold on. What? No. 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 No.
Does the old iPhone shoot videos too?
No.
3GS does. Oh, okay. But not
Yay! E! Okay, Bretsy's turn. Go do a cartwheel.
720.
Go do a cartwheel.
No. Come on, we're gonna do it.
There's Betsy. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Say, my name is Brett.
Mommy,
Brett.
take me.
Okay, go ahead. I'm videotaping you.
Hey,
Go ahead.
Anna Marie, what's this called right here? What's this called?
Oh, thank you.
What?
Coffee table.
Say it real loud.
Coffee table.
The coffee table. Just be careful not to hit the coffee table.
Yeah, don't hit the coffee table. Okay. Oh, yeah. Shake your booty now.
Hey, Anna Marie, I don't want you to get. Hey, Anna Marie, I don't want you to get frustrated hitting the coffee table. Okay?
Yeah. And try to stay in the lions. Okay? Okay. Oh, yeah, that's good. You stayed in the lions on that one. Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm okay. I didn't get hurt.
Okay, good.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are you? No, we gotta watch E. Why don't you go do some cartwheels? Go do some cartwheels. Hurry, 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 hurry. Yeah, Anna Marie.
Just keeps going.
Just like the Energizer Bunny. Are you getting tired yet?
No.
So the other day, she's like our biggest bone child we've ever had. And we asked her who was skinny. She's the only one in the family that's skinny.
Yeah.
We asked her if mom was skinny, no. If dad was skinny, no. We're all chubby and she's the skinny one.
She's still going.
Hey, Anna Marie, are you skinny? No? You said you were. What about Taylor? Is Taylor skinny?
No.
What about Bretzy?
No.
He's not skinny?
No.
What is he?
Yes. You have the little red sheep right here.
Well, that doesn't mean he's chubby.
Yeah, it is.
No.
I mean, where is that?
Totally watching you fail.
Hey.
Hey, Mommy, want me to do cartwheel?
Hi, Brett.